This is Asma Khatun, and I am one of Sir's oldest student in DYS. I'm attending from 2002, his first workshop, which was held in Kolkata. From that time onwards, I've been attending it and coming quite frequently. By living DYS, I am at so much peace. Sir says, na, and in reality also, if you have to experience peace here, Jannah here in this world, to experience Jannah in the external, in the afterlife. So basically, this is what keeps me going, because when I come here and when I get it, I live it by the keys, the distinctions of DYS. I actually experience the peace, and this peace keeps me going. And as believers, we always need reminders, so I keep coming back to refresh and refresh, go back in the world, act again, live by it. And again, I know when I'm falling. Earlier I didn't even know that I have fallen down, but now I know I've fallen. I come back, and it's just refreshing and reliving the moments of DYS. I would say yes, the concepts are repetitive, but I always get something new in every workshop. You've gone deep, you've dived in deep in the ocean, and you will get one pearl at a time. So it is something like that. I do not get everything in one go. At times I feel, I got this. Then I start living it. Then I get another one. Then I get another one. So it is not something that, oh, I know everything. There's no knowing over here. It's living it.